In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open expired links in Telegram. If you've tapped an invite and it says the link is invalid or expired, here is the key thing to know. Here is no legitimate way to bypass an expired Telegram link. When a link expires, it's either been turned off by the owner, hit a time or member limit, or been regenerated. So the goal isn't to crack the old link, it's to reconnect with the group or channel in a valid way. Start by searching for the group or channel directly inside Telegram. Open the app, tap the search bar at the top, and type the exact name if you remember it. Many communities use distinctive names, and if it's a public channel or group, it should appear in the results. If you know or can recall the handle, the part that starts with the @ symbol, type that into search as well. Public groups and channels with a known handle can often be joined or viewed right from the results. If it's private, you may see limited info. But at least you can confirm you are looking at the right place. If search doesn't get you in, the only reliable path is to contact an administrator and ask for a fresh, active invite. Send a brief, polite message explaining that your old link expired and you'd like a new one. Mention your Telegram username so they can find you easily and make it clear which group or channel you are trying to access. Admins can generate a new invite in seconds, and they can also confirm whether the group is still active or if entry is restricted. Here is one more situation to keep in mind. If you were previously removed or banned from the group, new links won't work for you until an admin clears your status. Ask the administrator to check the group's settings and remove your account from the removed users list before they send the new invite. Without that step, even a brand new link will still fail. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.